As we continue to work in sales, Customer Center, we're going to go down, we're going to go down to a customer that owes us some money. We're going to go into Transactions, and today we're going to see the aging summary, and it will show you how much they owe for a certain period of time, and this one is over 90 days. We can look at this item sale history. The item sale history shows what the customer has bought in the past, when they bought it, how much the unit price was. The sales graph will show the months that they actually ordered items from you. We're going to go back into the aging summary. We can export this to a PDF file or an Excel file. The item history. This will show us exactly what they paid for and what they bought in the past. Sometimes they'll redo the same thing, other times they will buy something. Here it shows that they end up buying something different every time. Nope, it looks like they bought a couple of Bluetooths here. Sales graph will show the month and the year that they purchased. And as an example, we put everything as the first of the month. That is our aging summary. The item sale history and the sales graph. We have reviewed in our Customer Center the customers, how to look them up, whether you type in their name, or the search, or hit customers, and all of your customers pop up where you can scroll up and down in alphabetical order. We've gone through transactions for orders and invoices, payments, returns, debits and credits, the aging summary, the item sale history, and the sales graph. This completes the Customer Center section.